Hello, this is Edward from jbuds. Over here today I'm going to explain how to fully pair or reset your jlab audio Go Air. This goes for most jlabs that are touch, don't have just a button over there. So I'm just gonna pair two different ones together and you'll see that it works. So I just say I'll take this one out. So the first thing that you do is, if you get another one or whatnot, so you click, while they're still in, you click this one, tap this one 7 times, and you'll see that the light will flash 3 times on the earbud. So see, it flashed, and then you do the other side. Then you take them both out. I wait for that light to go out, put them back in, and basically they're paired. So do you see that they're pairing to each other? That's trying to connect. One will be blue and white, and the other one will be white. There, see? So they're paired together now. This was just an example. You could also check out our other items that we have in our eBay store. I'll link a description below. It's called jbuds. Thanks for watching.